Hi guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I wanted to show you how I scale my fish. Easy scaling rather than make sure to rinse out your tank first. And what I'll do is, let me see, I'll show you to make sure. You want to get a boiling water and you want to put the hot boiling water into the scale, directly into the scale, just like that. And what it does is it'll help to remove the scale. Just like this. See how easily it just comes off? Rather than having to have your scales flying all over the place. So I'm doing it slowly. What I would recommend is you do it fast and it just peels off, right? Like a cooked skin. The same for the other side. It just peels off. See how easily it peels off? And then once that's done, you want to get it quickly into a ice bath so that it stops cooking. Just like that, and you're done. You have this nice little clean fish, and that's how you scale it without having the scale all over your kitchen floor, right? I hope this was helpful and make sure to subscribe. Bye.